In this training, I will help you build your first automation in 20 minutes using Pedro AI, my very own custom AI powered process map builder. So before we touch high level, before we build workflows, before we automate anything, we're gonna do the most important step first. And we're gonna go ahead and map your process, because most people do not struggle with automation. They struggle with clarity, meaning they don't have a process map. Even before jumping into high level, they're just building workflows and then wonder what's the next step. So here you can see on my screen an actual example of a process map. If you don't have Pedro AI, you'll most likely have to do this manually. That will take you hours to do, or maybe a day. So today we're gonna fix that using Pedro AI. So today in this training, we'll only be using two tools, and that's one, ChatGPT, and two will be the Mermaid app. That's it. No high level yet, no workflows yet, no automations yet, because if you cannot explain the process clearly, then you should not automate anything. So before we start, I strongly recommend using a ChatGPT Go, or at least a ChatGPT Pro account, because when you're building logic, you don't want responses getting cut off if you are under a free plan, or maybe losing context mid conversation, or just restarting everything because chat stops. So this is one of the best investment that you could have if you want to take automation as a serious skill that you wanna you really want to jump in. So you can, if you're in the Philippines, you can get the ChatGPT Go only for 300 pesos per month. If you're in the US, then it's going to be $8 per month. So once you're logged in, stay in the main ChatGPT screen. So as soon as you log in, you can see at the bottom left corner that your profile is there, and you can see that you have an active subscription. So now next, we will need to also sign up for a free Mermaid app. So just go to mermaid.ai and then sign up for a trial account. So when you do sign up for a free account, you can get up to 3 flowcharts for free. So if you can see, I have 3 flowcharts here, which is more than enough for you to practice, learn, and build your first real process map. Then, if in case that you needed more, you can always just open an existing flow chart, so you don't have to pay an upgrade. But if you need all of it, then I'm afraid that's when you will be needing the upgrade. So now let's leave Mermaid, because we will have to now open Pedro. But before we open Pedro, I need to say this clearly, because Pedro is not built to think for you. Pedro is here to guide you, or guide your thinking. So if you expect AI to magically design your business, forget about it. Because if you already understand your business, or at least you use Pedro to understand someone else's business, even just a little, then Pedro will help organize your thoughts, structure your logic, and turn that into something buildable inside of GoHighLevel. So today, we only have one rule to follow, and that's to have one objective, like what is it exactly that we are hoping to build inside of GoHighLevel, and then one process map. Please do not try to map your entire business in one go. So let's start. How do we access Pedro? First, you will be getting an email with the subject line, your access to Pedro AI is ready, or you can access this if you're inside of HLA, inside of our resources tab, just look for Pedro AI. So now to access the link, just go to step 2 in that email, and then click on get access here, and then automatically Pedro AI will load. Once Pedro loads, then you can go ahead and click on start. Just a reminder though, if you have your own custom GPT, please just do yourself a favor, please keep it in your sidebar so you can easily access it every time you need Pedro for your business. So now let's go ahead and click on start. So that's it. No prompts, no setup, no technical commands, because Pedro is specifically built to help you, meaning it's designed to ask you the right question so that we can proceed with process mapping. So here, or for this demo, we'll use a real example. So imagine that I'm a service business offering custom CRM build for GoHighLevel clients. So that's our context. So the first thing that Pedro will ask you is tell me what you're doing, or tell me what business you're in. So here I will tell Pedro that I am currently running a service business offering custom, guys, don't mind my spelling, it will correct it anyways. So builds for GHL clients. Okay, so that's our context. Now let's walk through Pedro's flow. If you can see, the next thing it's gonna ask you is, okay, can you tell me exactly what are you hoping to build using GoHighLevel? Like, what's the main objective? And this is where most people overcomplicate things, because we're always choosing. I mean, we need to choose at least one outcome only. Meaning, okay, I'm trying to build a CRM for my business where I want to be able to convert website visitors into book discovery calls. So it's simple, clear, and outcome based. Meaning, if you mention more than one goal, then most likely Pedro will push you back, because then you're confusing it. So here you have to tell it what exactly is your goal. And if you notice, Pedro is designed to also make suggestions, because if you don't know how to answer, then it will give you sample, or at least give you some scenarios that you can choose from or you can change. So here I want to build to convert. So I'm telling it my goal to convert website visitors into book discovery calls. So my goal is to build my website inside of GoHighLevel, and then from my website I want the clients to be able to book a call in order for them to work with me. Okay, so here it's telling you, okay, great. I see that you're trying to convert website visitors into book discovery call. Next question, which pipeline do you want that to live in? Meaning, do you want to have like a sales pipeline or a booking pipeline? Please take note that everything starts with a pipeline. So you just have to be able to answer, okay, how do you want to call this pipeline or opportunity? So here, I want to say, because this is sales, I want to say, oh, well, I want to have a full cycle sales pipeline. It's not just a pre-sales only, but rather a full sales pipeline. Now, the next thing it's going to do is, okay, can you tell me how do website visitors enter the system? So meaning, how exactly do you get the leads from your website? Do you have a website form? From your website, is that GHL form embedded in your website? So you basically need to tell it exactly how do you get the leads from your website to the CRM, so that it knows what starts the automation, meaning what is the trigger in order for us to send the leads from your website over to HighLevel. So now Pedro will ask the same questions, and then it's gonna go stage by stage, meaning it will ask you, okay, what happens after the form is submitted? So do you want to send a confirmation message? Do you want to tag the lead as new lead? So you can literally tell it everything you want to automate. So you want to send confirmation email, tag the lead, move the lead to the stage called new lead. Okay, so here, again, Pedro is designed to ask you what pipeline, and then inside of the pipeline, it will ask you what are the stages you want to build. So here it's saying, okay, that's clear. Our first trigger is form submitted, and then this is gonna be, or this is what we're expecting to happen. So next question, after the lead is in the new lead, what is the next milestone? Meaning, what is the next stage? So when they book a call, or when they receive the email, what is the next step? Do they get an email telling them, okay, this is where you're gonna book a call? So say once they receive, well, technically inside of our website, they will be able to select the dates when the discovery call needs to happen. So in this case, yes, they will receive a confirmation email, and at the same time, they will have to make a decision to book a call. So in short, in our website, there's the calendar link for them to book a call right away. If they decide to book, move to book stage. If not, then they get an email or follow-up email, follow up to book a call, to include our booking link. Okay, so guys, notice that Pedro is basically walking you through step by step. And if you are, let's say, working for a client, these are the exact questions you need to ask them, because you need to tell them, okay, can you tell me about your business? Can you tell me what happens if the lead comes to your website? If they did fill out a form, what happens next? So how Pedro is designed, it's something that you can already use during a strategy call or a discovery call, because it's giving you the right question to ask from your client, so you can then build that process or automation inside of GoHighLevel. So now, so you can see, okay, so you're describing a booking decision split, which is correct. So let's slow down. So see how Pedro is asking all these clarifying questions. Pedro will repeat the flow for every pipeline stages until the entire system is basically defined. So notice what's happening. I'm not building automations yet. I'm not choosing tools. I'm just describing how the business should work. So once all stages are basically defined, that's when Pedro will then generate the output. So let's continue. So here, okay, so do you want a separate stage for leads who have not booked yet? Absolutely. I want to know inside of my CRM that if they have not booked a call, then they will need to be on a separate stage. And let's do contacted for everyone who did not book a call. Okay. All right. So now, okay, that's confirmed. We have new lead. Now we have contacted stage. When someone does book a call, we want to move them over to book call. And most of the time, Pedro will also tell you or suggest, okay, the other, say, stages that you can build. So for example, to make this really quickly, I have an entire, okay, so this is my, this is everything I want to build using this process map. So if you have all that figured out, or let's say you hop on a discovery call with your client, they explain to you what they want, you can just copy that script from that, or not the script, but the recording from your Zoom call, paste all that transcript inside of Pedro so that it can help you build your process map. So obviously, it will ask you the questions per stages that we're building inside of GoHighLevel. So now, because I have detailed everything that, hey, okay, this is what I want to happen, because I have all that detail coming from my strategy call, this is just a transcript. Do you want me to build your process map now? I'm going to say yes. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay, so now let's just wait for a few seconds, because Pedro is working its magic in order for it to give us this entire code. Okay, so now, as you can see, once all stages are defined, Pedro generates the output, and Pedro gives us the entire system written as code. Again, important reminder, you do not need to understand all these codes. The only skill you need to have is to learn how to copy and paste. So your only job is to copy it, meaning just copy this entire code. Now we're ready to go to Mermaid. So assuming that, okay, I'm running out of my trial account, again, you can open an existing flow chart, and then you can just delete all these codes on the left hand side and then paste this entire code inside of your Mermaid app. Okay, so boom, as you can see, we now have our entire process map that basically documents everything that we told Pedro to do. So meaning, when a form is submitted, it will go to new lead, it will send an email, it will add tag, it will notify the team. When they book, they go straight to call book. If not, then we want to send them an email, send reminders, and then we're going to have a stage called call completed. So all these new lead, call book, call completed, proposal sent are all the stages that we're going to be building inside of our GoHighLevel account. So now we have a visual process map that we can see triggers. As you can see, okay, what is the trigger, which is form submitted earlier, and then we have the stages, new lead, call book. We have the actions, meaning the automated actions we want to put inside of the workflow. And we also have the transitions and even the if and else. So this is the blueprint now that you will be using to build your automation. No drawing required, no dragging boxes, no guessing. And if you want to change anything, then you can also do that manually inside of Mermaid app, or you can just go back to Pedro and then talk to it again and tell it, okay, modify this process so then Pedro updates the logic. All you need to do is copy and then paste the code inside of the Mermaid app, so then it will help you build that entire clean system. So now that you have your process map, you're ready to present that to your client, you're ready to build that inside of GoHighLevel. So now let me show you why this skill matters, because I'm going to quickly open online job platforms like Upwork, and maybe you can also visit Online Jobs PH. If you go here and then find jobs related to GHL, so just type in the word GHL or HighLevel, you can look at these jobs like GoHighLevel Setup, GoHighLevel Specialist, GoHighLevel Expert, Automation Specialist, Full-time GHL Expert needed. And clients are not asking for magic. They're asking for people who understand automation, who understand process, who understand process mapping. So if you can see, business are hiring CRM builders, high-level admins, automation specialists. So if you can map the process, explain that to the client, and then build it, then I'm sure you're already going to stand out. Look at these offers: $2,000, $1,500, $1,000, $1,000. Some are $5,000. This one is $2,500. So yeah, I mean, I'm not sure if you're not seeing this opportunity, because there is a golden opportunity waiting for you. And again, this is just Upwork. If you go to other platforms like Online Jobs PH, or even inside of GoHighLevel directory, you're going to see more and more people looking for someone like you. In fact, right now, there are about 2 million businesses that are currently using GoHighLevel for their business, and they needed GHL specialist automation or CRM builders just like you. So let's do a recap. Today, you've learned how to use Pedro AI, define one clear objective, map a full pipeline, and turn it into an automation blueprint. So before you automate, again, you think. Before you build, you map. And if you can explain the process, then you can start automating. And if you can automate, then of course you can get paid for it. Not just paid, but get paid high for it. So that's it. That's how you will have, or you can actually build your first process map or your automation inside of GoHighLevel using Pedro AI.